Hi all, and welcome back to the Tech Garage. Today we're going to have yet another computer build video, except for this one's going to be built using mostly used parts and discards, such as this 9th gen Intel i5-9500T. So this is a low power CPU, a fresh set of 16 gigs of RAM, a 250 gig SSD, a used cooler which I hope fits, a Radeon R9 3090, and then we have this open case over here, and here is the EVGA 750 watt power supply. Here's a motherboard, fresh from eBay. This is a ASUS Prime H310M, a revision 2, Intel LGA 1151 DDR4 desktop motherboard. Nice. Yay, let's get as much static on this as possible. Goodbye. Thankfully, they left us the little piece of plastic. Let's roll the case up. Looks like we're going to need those ones right there. So I can get those ready. I only put these on finger tight. Alright, since this standoff and these ones don't have things yet, we're going to do it the next fun way. We're going to use some of these. Alright, we're going to put these in the motherboard there. Perfect. We're not going to worry about this space right here at all. It's a kind of a non-issue when there's nothing in there. Alright. Alright, according to the manual, we want to put the RAM into slot A. Kind of put this one to bed. Looks like slot A is this one. Getting a lot of previous comments. Oh, you put it in the wrong slot. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. And usually this is for testing. Later on, I'm going to populate with more RAM. Definitely the case here. There we go. Single 16 gig stick. On. Now time for the CPU. I hate when it does that. Alright. Perfect. Right. Let's go ahead and close this up. Alright, CPU is installed. Alright. Hate to burn up the better thermal compound on the garbage builds, but oh well, that's all I could find. It's not like the stuff isn't all that expensive. Alright. So all that's together now. Now we need to hook up the power. Oh, hopefully do it the right way. Alright, most of those won't be needed. Alright, next, let's get that SSD. Nope, screen, you can't go to sleep. There we go. Helps. Shit. See if that makes it a little bit easier to see. There we go. I suppose it doesn't really matter. It's going to be the only SATA device hooked up to it. Now I gotta give it power. Alright, now the last bit. Big honking video card. Go, the Radeon R9. Alright, look at that. It's bigger than everything else on there. After careful consideration, this isn't going to fit. Oh well, we're not going to have power LED. And that'll be fine. Alright. Let's go ahead and turn the whole kit and caboodle. We'll start hooking up the back of it. Here we are, display port in. Keyboard. There you go, gimmicky rainbow light up keyboard. Gimmicky rodent. It looks like we just need power and LAN. Just a moment. Alright, looks like it's alive. Didn't even have to turn off this light. We don't need that no more. Okay, here we are. So it has picked up the CPU. It's picked up the RAM. It has picked up, thinks there's two keyboards. That's interesting. Whatever. Let's go ahead and run setup. Nice little pretty visualization. Time is not right, but that's fine. We'll fix it later. This is right. This is right. Temperature seems stable. Alright, let's go ahead and boot to the OS. Let's see how happy this thing is. All right. Looks like it's not unhappy about moving to this new motherboard. It's a previous installation of Windows 11. Yeah, never doing that. Oh, Plymouth service manual. So far, so good. Looks like I got some updates to Discord. Alright, well, this is good enough to verify this machine still works. See how well this performs now. Ooh, it's a little squished. Skip. There we go. I hate that it does this.
Someone tipped the cops off about suspicious activity at the safe house. The hardware that gauge moves falls off the back of trucks.
Here we go. We're going to do it on stupid easy just for the fun of it.
Quietly. Front gate is dead ahead, but maybe you can find alternative routes. There's the main gate. Could be watched. Maybe find another way in. Keep an eye out for anything you can hustle out of there. The murky water containers are your best bet. Get them open.
It's a little jerky, but it's also hot as heck in here.
Look out, camera. Got it. Don't get caught on tape. Hey,
Nothing useful in there. Oh well, you get the idea. Alright, let's close that down. And so far so good. I'm probably not going to end up keeping this installation of Windows. Probably end up going with something else. But this is going to end up becoming either another test rig or one of my friends might end up using it. Kind of depends upon how things go. Till then, have a great one, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Time to power it off.